Hello and welcome to the tutorial. Alright, in this tutorial we'll be covering all the sidebars, these bars over here. I'll be discussing how the mobile editor works, how the pages work, and all these nitty-gritty things up here. Alright, to start off, I chose a personal template from Wix.com. As you can see, you've got pictures, text, and little bubbles to take you to different pages. Firstly, we'll go to pages here. Now, from this tab, you're able to customize each page you have by clicking on this little cogwheel here to page settings. From here, you're able to name your page, where your address is, and use page privacy, page layout, all that sort of stuff. You're also able to duplicate, delete pages from this window. So we'll just exit out of this. Another thing you can do on this button is switch up your page order. So I can put projects here, resume last, and even home last if I wanted to. But for now, we'll just keep it where it was. Okay, now to the paintbrush. The paintbrush is the design button. The design button, you're able to go to background, where you're able to change and customize your background. Here are some preset pictures that you can use for your background. So if I click this, my background changes to a nice purple, and so on and so forth. But for now, I'll just keep it as a nice white. You're also able to discard all changes that you make in this window. Now to customize background. In this window, you're able to move your picture to suit your background as shown. You can make it fit into full screen, tile it vertically, horizontally, or just keep it normal. You can also press apply to all the other pages so that you can keep it consistent. Now moving back, we'll go to the plus button. Plus button is add. This is where you'll be doing most of your work, as you're able to add all these different things like text, images, gallery, media, shapes and lines, buttons and menus, blog, online store, social, apps, and list builders. These are all pretty self-explanatory, but I'll show you the first one. So text, you can use title, paragraph, and easy as that. Click and drag it to where you want it. You can put it wherever. Alright. Now this window is the Wix App Market. This is where you're able to put cool features, new stuff, and add it to your thing. But that's more for professional websites. Now to the cogwheel. This is your settings bar for your whole project. You can use your site address. You can change it from here. So at the moment, it's my site address is that. You can change it. So you can see it on Google. So your site title on Google will be blah blah blah. Your description, keywords, all that sort of stuff. You can use social media settings, where you can change your thumbnail and have a Facebook user. You can also go to statistics, but that's only for upgraded Wix accounts. And same with Favexcon. Alrighty, moving on. Moving on to these bars up here. So as you can see, I've already got my desktop editor playing at the moment, but I can, if I change it to mobile editor, you'll see straight away that it turns into a mobile. So I'll just skip this tutorial. So from here, it's um, it's displayed as you would see it on a mobile. So if I click this, this is where the menu is. At the menu, it's basically the same menu as your menu on your desktop, except on a mobile. You can change it by managing it, personalizing it to your own taste, using a dark or light menu, as you can see the changes there, all that sort of stuff. In this, you're able to scroll down, and the Wix account has already made it fit to the mobile device, as you can see. And that's your home page there. Same sort of thing with your buttons over here, same style, except in a mobile form. Okay, now we'll go back to Desktop Editor, where it's easier to fiddle around with all the different buttons. Okay, so up here, you can quick find anything on your page. So, hello. You're able to search on your app market, help center, all that sort of stuff. Up here is where you'll see most of the work, which will be undo, which is Control Z obviously, and re-undo, which is Control Y. This is pretty self-explanatory. Up here is your copy, your paste, your grid lines, which is useful to have if you want to line everything up. You can snap objects, have your rulers and guides up, as you can see up the top here, for the extra customization and precision. And up here, you can check out your site before you publish it in the preview menu. So it looks exactly the same in the preview menu as it would if you published it and went on the site online. Obviously, you save. This save is only as a draft. Once you publish it, you'll have to publish it again if you want those changes to be carried over. And of course, upgrade to your own personal web address, which will cut out the Wix up the top here, and we'll put your own. And okay, that concludes our tutorial of Wix. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later.